Hello my hair lover, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll be showing you how I'm going to revamp this deep wave wig from how it is looking like this to a very stunning new look. So let's get right into this video. Starting with the hot water, I'm going to pour a hot boiling water into a bowl. Then I'm going to add my dishwasher. I am doing this so that it will help to dissolve and remove stubborn build-up on the wig. There's some hairs that has a lot of build-up on them, so the hot water will melt it so fast, and the dishwasher will help dissolve and clean the hair. So once that is done, you leave it in the hot water and allow it to cool for some time. When the water is cool, you bring it out. Then we are going to rinse it. We rinse it twice. After then we put our neutralizing shampoo on it. So after putting our neutralizing shampoo, we are going to wash thoroughly but not roughly. You wash it thoroughly but not roughly. So after washing, we are going to rinse it again. Rinse it till there is no more shampoo on the wig. So after rinsing, we are going to go ahead to put our conditioning mixture. I made a video on how I did the conditioning mixture, so if you haven't watched the video, I'm going to tag it at the end of this video so you can watch how you can make your conditioning mixture that is best for this detangling and reviving your hair when you are revamping. So after applying the conditioning mixture generously on the hair, I went ahead to brush it out, starting from the tip, then work my way through to the top. So I brush it out, everything until it is well detangled, smooth. Then I fold it in and put it aside for some hours. You can leave it overnight, or you can leave it for about 4, 6, 8 hours or thereabout. So after then, I brought it out back and I rinse it. I rinse it carefully and gently until the product is out of the hair. Then after then, I squeeze it out. Then I went to dry it. I did not blow dry. I just hang it somewhere outside and allow it to dry naturally. So that is what you should do when revamping your hair. You allow it dry naturally. So after it is dry, I brought it back in for styling, and this is how the hair is looking like. Now I'm going to place it on the mannequin for proper styling. First thing is I'm going to secure with some pin at the two sides. I'm going to secure it with pin so that it won't be falling off when I am styling or brushing or doing anything on the hair. So after securing the hair, I'm going to do my parting, whether it is center, side, C-cuts, any which one you want to do, you do your parting. But in this video, I'll be doing a simple C-cut for this hair. So after doing the C-cut on the hair, I'm going to go in with my wax stick and apply it on the parting. Then I'm going to go in with my hot comb to press it down. If you are still watching this video, do well to click on the subscribe button if you haven't. Subscribe to my channel and like this video. Also drop a suggestion, drop your question, drop anything in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this styling. If you have any question, please feel free to ask in the comment section. And also, if this is your first time of seeing my video, do let me know in the comment section so I can give you shout outs in my next video. Today's shout out is going to Glory Morpho 1524. Thank you so much for joining the community. Now we'll go ahead with our spray. In this bottle spray, I have my conditioning mixture mixed with water, and that is what I'm using to spray this hair. I'm going to spray generously and make sure it is really wet but not dripping. Wet but not dripping. So that's what we are doing right here. Then after that, I'm just going to brush it down. You can see the beauty is already coming out, but we're not done yet. We still have other products to apply to it to make it more stunning and more beautiful. It's going to look like brand new deep wave. Don't wait, just stay tuned and watch the magic I want to perform. You see this hair mousse, it is strictly for coily hair. It's not the regular hair mousse that you use for every other thing. It is strictly for coily hair. It is a leave-in conditioning mousse. When you apply it to your coily hair, it softens it bring back the coils. It does lots of things. I really love it, and it's not common. I don't know, you can only order it online. You cannot walk in a store and see it, but it is really beautiful. If you can get it, please do get it. So after then, I'm going to go in with my dryer and use it to crunch it up and blow dry it. So I'm just going to do that for like few minutes until the hair is dry partially, not completely dry. We are not looking for a completely dry hair. We just want it to dry partially. So just wait and see the outcome and see the results. Now this is how the hair is looking after drying partially. You can see the coil, see how beautiful it is. That'll be all for now. Don't wait to click on the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my channel, and also like this video and drop your opinion in the comment section. If you have any questions, feel free to drop it in the comment section as well. And with that being said, see you on the next one. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, do want to click on the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also drop a comment in the comment section. Don't forget, if this is your first time of seeing my video, let me know in the comment section so I can give you a shout out in my next video.